Are you considering upgrading an office or meeting space with the latest communications technology? If so, now is the ideal time with multiple choices available. But how can you create a seamless solution faster and more easily than ever? Let's see how by comparing the traditional installation route and the new low-impact, low-cost route from Salamander Designs. Shown through Centrepoint, a revolutionary 3D software platform that builds construction efficiency across global real estate, you'll understand every detail of the install. This includes the process and how long it will take. On the left screen are the traditional 15 construction phases, from the initial slab through to the AV implementation. By contrast, on the right, you can see Salamander Designs' low-impact, rapid deployment method. It's just 5 simple steps to a more elegant, fully functioning conferencing furniture system. Let's zoom in on the exact benefits of a Salamander Designs system. First, forget the time-consuming wall blocking, rewiring, and heavy construction. All of that goes away. There's no need to apply for building permits. Best of all, Salamander furniture is ADA compliant, and the average install takes 2 people 1 to 1.5 days, while traditional installs take multiple trades 3 to 5 weeks, and sometimes months. Your Salamander Designs furniture solution is also flexible. Quickly reconfigure the room from a meeting or huddle space to a private office. Upgrade from single to multiple displays without expensive wall construction. This is why Salamander Designs is trusted by the world's biggest brands, such as Zoom, Cisco, Microsoft, and others. They deliver fast, innovative technology furniture for every room and team. Don't just upgrade your space, transform it. If you're thinking of a meeting room upgrade or a technology refresh, think Salamander.